Making a decision. The process. Read and listen, or just listen to the following passage, then answer these simple questions about the passage after. First, let's look at some vocabulary. We have several terms here. Customer complaints is generally when the customer are unhappy and they report that they're unhappy. Feedback is the information, good or bad, from the customer. When we examine implications, we look to see what might happen. If we implement something, we start a plan. Inventory is a list of items that we might sell. Real-time system is a system that updates instantly, so you don't have to wait for it to update. Solution is like an answer to a problem. And if you've used Excel, then you know what a spreadsheet is. It's like a grid where we can enter numbers and make calculations. Okay, let's look at our passage. An online store manager noticed that some customers complained items were listed as in stock on the website, but actually they were sold out. They needed a better way to track inventory, so they looked for different solutions and found 3. A cheap spreadsheet system, a basic software program that updated once per day, and a more expensive system that updated inventory automatically after each sale. After thinking carefully, they chose the real-time system because it prevented mistakes and saved time, even though it cost more. The team installed the new system and learned how to use it. 1 month later, the stock information was correct and the manager checked sales reports and customer feedback. There were less customer complaints, showing that the decision was successful. Okay, now some comprehension questions. Number 1. What problem did the manager discover in the store? Customers could not find the website. Popular products were often out of stock. The store had too many products. Number 2. How many solutions were examined? Was it 1, 3 or 5? Now we can check your answers. Number 1. What problem did the manager discover in the store? The problem was that products were often out of stock, but the customers thought they were in stock because it said on the website. So the answer was B. Popular products were often out of stock. And how many solutions were examined? Well, they looked for 3. They looked at 3. Why did the manager choose the real-time solution? Was it A, because it was the cheapest system, B, the most colourful design, or C, it helped avoid mistakes and save time? Number 4, how was the new system implemented? They installed the software and trained employees. They hire a new manager. The store closed for a month. Let's see the answer. The answer was C. It helped avoid mistakes and save time. And the new system was implemented how? Well, it was A. They installed the software and trained employees. Finally, number 5. How was the decision evaluated? Did customers complete questionnaires? Did the manager check customer feedback and sales reports? Was the system changed? Was it A, B or C? And the answer is B. Now, the process, making a decision, we can put in different stages. So let's go through these, identify the problem, decide to make a decision, identify potential solutions, examine these possible solutions, examine the implications of these solutions, select your choice, the best solution, implement your choice, and then evaluate the decision to see if it's successful or if you need to evaluate it again. So that's the decision process. How was that? It's good if you've learnt something, even if it seems easy. If there's something you would like added or want to leave a suggestion, please leave it in the comments. If you want more help, visit Alps Academy.